Founded in 2010, Ningbo Dayang Technology Co. Ltd. is a R&D and production-oriented enterprise, integrating environment-friendly mosquito control products manufacturing, mosquito research and foreign trade business. Based on the global market and consumer needs, Ningbo Dayang has developed hundreds of mosquito control products in trendy design, with over 250 patents, ranking top 1 of the Paris Convention in the field of mosquito control products. Dayang has sound quality management system, advanced R&D equipment, automatic production line, indoor efficacy testing laboratory, artificial mosquito breeding room and ecological mosquito breeding room. Meanwhile, established conclusive communication with many universities, research institutes around the world for mosquito species exchange and experiments in long term. The strict management system, more than 10 sets of machines, independent mode opening and rich experience lead us to solve any mode issues quickly. Each process is operated by professionals with more than 5 years of working experience. Mode production capacity, the mode lead time is around 40 days. 25 injection molding machines. Through efficient management and precise improvement, automatic production is realized, with one person manages multiple machines. Automatic cooling water blowing, compared with artificial water blowing on the market. The cooling is smoother and more timely, effectively improves the service life of the mold. To maintain the quality of plastic parts is more stable. Dayang is the only one mosquito killer lamp manufacturer in China that independently encapsulates mosquito trapping LED beads. The light-emitting diode is made with all gold 99.99%, helps to control the light wavelength tolerance within ±2. The unique UV LED beads has invention patent tested by the authoritative China CDC. Dayang is able to increase the production capacity by 20% thanks to the breakthrough innovation on the production process upon introducing slim production management, eliminating waste from the manufacturing process to deliver higher quality products at significantly lower costs. Here the spray filling workshop, 100,000 level dust-free workshop, supply products to the major maternal and infant channels and some drugstores in China. Dayang has passed factory audit like BC, Disney, UL, WCA and FA, owing product certificates of TUV, UL, ETL, SGS, CE, Rose and Ridge, etc. helps our products exported to hundreds of countries with reputed company and brands. Look forward to our win-win cooperation in the market.